Papaya leaf might seem harmless at first glance, but once you find out what it can do for your body, everything changes. And most curious part? Few people talk about it, even though it's been used for centuries in traditional medicine in various parts of the world. In this video, you'll discover 10 surprising benefits of papaya leaf that directly impact your digestion, energy, immunity, skin, hair, and even more serious illnesses. So stick with me, because at the end of this video, I'll show you the best way to prepare this amazing leaf. And the last benefit might just be the most important of all. And here's the thing, a lot of people are using it the wrong way. Let's get straight to it. Benefit 10, improve digestion. Have you ever felt bloated after eating, even when you didn't overdo it? That could be a sign your digestive system is asking for help. And papaya leaves are here to help. They're rich in digestive enzymes like papain and carpain. These enzymes make it easier to break down heavy proteins and prevent that uncomfortable feeling many people treat with meds they don't actually need. Science has already backed this up. Researchers found that consuming papaya leaf extract improves gastric function and speeds up stomach emptying. That means less risk of constipation, fewer gas issues, and feeling lighter overall. Plus, papain helps protect the stomach lining, preventing damage that could lead to gastritis or ulcers, keeping your gut health in check. And the benefits don't stop there. Efficient digestion is the gateway to truly healthy eating. It's what ensures nutrients reach your cells at full power. Now, what if I told you that these same leaves, besides helping your stomach, can also help regulate your blood sugar levels? That's right. Now we get to benefit 9, diabetes control. Did you know that something as simple as a leaf can help manage diabetes? Yep, papaya leaves have been studied for their blood sugar regulating effects, and the results are promising. Poor glucose regulation is one of the biggest silent threats to health and longevity. When the body doesn't respond well to insulin, sugar builds up in the blood, triggering chronic inflammation that affects the kidneys, eyes, nervous system. But the antioxidant compounds found in papaya leaves, like polyphenol and carpain, help break that cycle naturally, bringing balance to the body without harsh side effects. In other words, a complementary treatment straight from nature. Want to know the most interesting part? Besides helping regulate blood sugar, these leaves also ease a problem that many women face every month and rarely think could be connected to their diet. So let's move on to benefit 8, relief from premenstrual syndrome. Have you ever noticed how some days of the month just feel harder than others? Sudden irritability, lower abdominal pain, unexpected migraines. PMS is one of those silent battles many women deal with. But what if I told you that papaya leaf can help ease those symptoms? That's right. The enzyme papain, found abundantly in this leaf, helps relax the smooth muscles of the uterus, which naturally reduces cramps without relying on strong painkillers. And it doesn't stop there. Research from Japan's National Institute of Health Sciences shows that papaya leaf extracts help balance hormone levels, reducing spikes in estrogen and progesterone, the main culprits behind intense PMS symptoms. Plus, compounds like alkaloids and flavonoids can help improve mood, reduce headaches, and even ease bloating. A true natural relief, supported by a healthy diet. Now picture this. While your body is already dealing with hormonal ups and downs, it might also be facing another silent challenge: low platelet count in your blood. Did you know this leaf can help with that too? Yep. Get ready to discover one of the most surprising uses of papaya leaf. Let's dive into benefit 7, increased platelet count. When the body experiences a drop in platelets, whether due to a viral infection, aplastic anemia, or even after chemotherapy sessions, the risk of bleeding and weakened immunity rises significantly. But papaya leaf can support your recovery. It contains compounds that stimulate bone marrow and help boost platelet production, something that's been confirmed in studies conducted by the Asian Institute of Science and Technology in the Philippines. Beyond just raising platelet levels, regularly consuming papaya leaf juice or tea strengthens the immune system as a whole. This is thanks to enzymes like chemopapain and powerful antioxidants that enhance the body's response to infections. In tropical countries, it's already widely used as a home remedy to restore immunity after infectious diseases. Now, think about it. If this leaf can help regenerate your blood, what else might it be able to heal? And that brings us to benefit 6, anti-inflammatory action. Ever dealt with persistent joint pain, belly discomfort, or recurring skin flare-ups? These are signs of an inflamed body. And the worst part is, we often assume it's just part of getting older. But what if I told you that papaya leaf contains compounds that directly target these inflammatory processes? It's true. Flavonoids, tannins, and alkaloids found in papaya leaf act as natural anti-inflammatories, reducing the activity of enzymes that trigger pain and swelling. Studies have shown that adding papaya leaf extract to a healthy diet had a significant effect in relieving intestinal inflammation and muscle pain in animal tests. Some of these effects are even comparable to pharmaceutical anti-inflammatories, but without the side effects. And there's more. It can also help in cases like arthritis, colitis, chronic lower back pain, and even psoriasis. But hold on, we're not done yet. The same leaf that fights inflammation can also transform the appearance of your skin, and the results might just be visible. Now let's talk about benefit 5, young and healthy skin. Have you already spent loads of money on creams and cosmetic treatments, but still feel like your skin isn't responding as promised? Maybe the secret isn't on the outside, but rather on the inside. More specifically, in your healthy diet. Papaya leaf contains powerful antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which neutralize free radicals responsible for premature aging. Plus, it stimulates the natural production of collagen, helping to keep your skin firm, hydrated, and youthful in appearance. Researchers from the Journal of Ethnopharmacology have identified healing and antiseptic effects in extracts applied topically. That means the leaf can help both with acne treatment and with reducing blemishes and scars. Some indigenous cultures even use it as a facial mask or poultice, and clinical reports are gaining traction in the scientific community thanks to the visible results. Healthy, glowing skin from something that grows in your backyard? Yes, it's possible. Now, if taking care of your skin is already amazing, just imagine being able to take care of your liver with the same ingredient. Benefit 4, liver protection. Have you ever heard that the liver is the laboratory of our body? It's responsible for filtering toxins, metabolizing fats, and balancing hormones. But with the hustle and bustle of daily life, processed foods, and frequent medication use, this vital organ ends up overloaded. The good news? Papaya leaf can help, and a lot. Rich in compounds that stimulate glutathione, one of the most powerful antioxidants produced by our own body, it directly supports liver detoxification. Consuming papaya leaf extract helps increase liver enzyme levels, indicating regeneration and protection of liver tissue. This is especially useful for those dealing with fatty liver, the well-known hepatic steatosis, or inflammatory conditions like hepatitis. The combined antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action makes this leaf a true natural support for anyone looking to stay healthy in an affordable and effective way. Now, think about it. If this leaf has the power to cleanse your liver, what could it do for your immune system? So here we are at benefit 3, immune system boost. Do you feel like you catch colds easily or constantly have that feeling that your immunity is low? The problem might not be a lack of self-care, but rather a deficiency in nutrients. That's where papaya leaf comes into play. Rich in vitamin C and bioactive compounds like alkaloids and flavonoids, it stimulates the production of white blood cells, the immune system soldiers that defend your body against invaders. A true natural shield for anyone seeking better health and longevity. Researchers at the University of Colombo in Sri Lanka showed that regular consumption of papaya leaf significantly boosted immune response in patients with mild infections. And it's not just about prevention. It also speeds up recovery from colds, viruses, and even skin infections. All that with an ingredient you can easily add to your daily routine, whether as tea or juice. And here's the kicker. This same leaf that strengthens your defenses can also transform the health of your scalp. Benefit 2, stronger hair. Have you noticed more hair falling out than usual in the shower? Or maybe that your strands look dull, weak, and brittle? The truth is, Many hair problems start at the scalp, and papaya leaf can help with that too. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and antimicrobial compounds, it deeply nourishes the hair roots and stimulates blood circulation in the area, promoting hair growth and reducing hair loss. Using papaya leaf extract in hair lotions significantly improves hair density and reduces dandruff within just a few days of application. That's because the leaf contains enzymes that remove excess oil, fight fungi, and strengthen the hair follicle. Now, if even your hair can be revitalized with this leaf, just imagine what it might do in even more serious situations, like in the fight against cancer. Yes, there are studies investigating its effects on tumor cells. Benefit 1. Anti-cancer potential. It might sound bold to say that a leaf can help in the fight against cancer, but that's exactly what science has been investigating, and with good reason. Papaya leaf contains compounds like acetogenin, flavonoids, and alkaloids, which have shown, in lab studies, the ability to induce apoptosis, that is, the programmed death of tumor cells. It's like teaching sick cells to self-destruct without harming the healthy ones. Research from the University of Florida has been exploring this effect on breast, lung, and prostate tumors. The leaf also helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the main causes of cellular aging and genetic mutations that can lead to cancer. Papaya leaf extract has shown significant antiproliferative effects on human tumor cells. While it's not yet an official treatment, it's being considered as part of complementary care protocols, especially to help strengthen the body during chemotherapy. Preparation method and precautions. The most common and safest way to consume papaya leaf is as tea, made by boiling 5 to 7 fresh or dried leaves in 1 liter of water for about 10 minutes. Another popular option is juice. In this case, it's best to blend 5 to 10 leaves with filtered water, strain it, and drink small amounts throughout the day. But like any powerful bioactive compound, caution is key. In excess, the leaf can cause side effects like diarrhea, nausea, or even interfere with the absorption of certain medications. It's also not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women, or for people with a history of papaya allergies. Always remember, before starting any regular use, especially for therapeutic purposes, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. After all, natural remedies also need to be used responsibly. Now, in the next video, you'll discover the 10 foods that help seniors preserve muscle mass and prevent sarcopenia. There's a lot in there that nobody tells you about. So click the screen and come with me. That's it for today's video. Stay well, and see you next time.